Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show battery percentage on MacBook. So whenever you click on this here, you will see battery percentage. But if you want to see without clicking on the battery, so here you can see it here the battery percentage. So I'm in this video I'm going to show you how to see battery percentage or show battery percentage on MacBook. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go into the system preferences. So when you go into the system preferences, here you will see dock and menu bar. Just click on it. So when you click on it, here you have to scroll down and here you will see battery menu bar. Okay, now just click on it and here you will see show percentage. So when you click on it, here you will see that 100%. So like this you can show battery percentage on MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.